So, as you saw in the previous pictures, the windshield had glue spots on both sides of the vent windows. I have sanded those off. I sanded them with a fingernail file on both sides, smooth side and rough side. And then I went over it with 400 grit sandpaper, automotive sandpaper. I also did it up here to the top to remove the glue from the top. And a little bit on the back edge right there. The windshield is marked 6162 on the inside, F-100. So it definitely confirms that this is a 62. I will be polishing this out. I will have two products today. Be using Novus scratch remover, number 3 heavy scratch remover, and number 2 fine scratch remover. This is a plexiglass polish, but as you see, it works on acrylics and it restores to its original appearance. I've used this stuff for years. I enjoy it. It is a great product. Let's see how it works today. I will be filming with this crazy device with my GoPro. It'll probably be on time lapse. Thanks for joining in. Well, everyone, I gave it another coat off camera because it was a little bit easier for me to do. Not perfect, but looks far better than what it did, doesn't it? Most of those scratch marks that I put in it are gone. The front windshield wasn't really bad, but it's got a nice shine to it now, as you can see it. Rear windshield looks good too. Nice and clear, you can see through them. You couldn't see through those before. See? As you can see, there are a few light haziness scratches. If I would have gone with a finer grit, probably wouldn't see those. But I'm happy. 60-some-year-old model, restored windshield. Doesn't look bad. You can see through it. It's almost in drivable condition. Can't wait to install it. Thanks for everybody for tuning in.